Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. For those who are new, let me close this window. So guys, welcome back to another video. Oh gosh, can you see how excited I am? Yes, I'm so excited. I'm so tensed. I don't know. I have full mixed of emotions because my dining is finally here. Like, yo, my dining is finally here. He has called me. He's at downstairs. He's at downstairs, so in a couple of minutes he'll be here. So guys, if you're watching and you're not subscribing, like, guys, you're missing a lot. Like, please subscribe to our channel and help me grow this channel. I told you guys, you are the owner of this channel. Whatever you want. I saw something on TikTok. Was it on TikTok or was it on WhatsApp? It's my cousin who had posted, like, whatever Mweshimiwa want, Mweshimiwa gets. Something like that. I don't know. I'll confirm. Yeah, so guys, I'm so happy. Can you listen to the music at the background? Like, I'm in the mood. Like, I'm just listening to R&Bs and I'm just feeling so happy. Like, I'm so excited, guys. Like, I've been waiting for this dining for long. Gosh. So guys, let's go see what I have. Let's go see. I can hear the wamefika because I've sent my nanny to. So wacha twende tuone, guys. Let's go see. Ready? Are you ready? Oh no, you guys are not ready. I look good, by the way. Let's go see. The waiting was worth, because I love everything, every detail. So let's go straight. Let's go. I had my dining table. I've had this dining table for 6 months, but every time I wanted to buy the chairs, like, kulikuwa na kitu tu ilikuwa inani stop, because I really bought, my previous dining was really not good at all. So I really didn't want to rush buying a dining table, and then nipate disappointments, because I bought it at Ngong Road, but the way they did it, it was so ghetto. Like, so I sold it, but I didn't have enough money to buy a dining table, as in to buy both of them. So I just bought the table, and then I said, hizo zingine nitashona tu pole pole. So I didn't have any pressure. Actually, I didn't have any pressure. And God is good that I now have my dining chairs. So let's put them together. So guys, those are my dining chairs, and that's my table. I don't know, but my space is so small, but I'm hoping it's gonna fit, because it must fit. Because those dining chairs are a bit bulky, but I don't care. I really don't care. So let's start. Oh my god. This is fun. This dining, this carpet is not meant for this place. It wasn't there. It's just an extra carpet that I actually have 2 extra carpets, the gray one and this one. But I'll get the dining for dining here. So let's unwrap them. That's my favorite part.
That's 100.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. day that the Lord has made. Right there to say with the top down. Oh, let's put tomorrow away and live it right now. So let's not waste another day. Cause we fall into season. Oh, let's take a ride through the same with the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside.
So guys, I've really tried to squeeze them the best way I can, but still the space is so limited. It's too small. So what you're gonna do, I don't know. That's the reason, guys, I'm looking for another apartment, because I don't see the value of this money we are paying here, and it's not spacious enough. Okay, the other rooms are so spacious, but the sitting room is not spacious at all. The fact that it's an open kitchen, it gets like unapata space ni kidogo sana. So, but anyway, I think I have to take down the Christmas tree, because at a Christmas imeisha, we have to get rid of that Christmas tree. And then I'll put the bedroom mirror, the Nico bedroom, I'll put it there. I love red roses, but I'll get another vase. I don't feel this flower vase at all. So sometimes I don't even buy any fresh flowers because of this. Nini. I don't feel it at all. Yay! Fresh roses. Check. I'm going to buy other placemats because easy. They have seen life. Jane, bread. Stop. Oh my gosh, I'm waiting. Like, this mirror fits hapa vizuri. Like, I had a mirror ya hapa ikavunjika tukihama, and this one is no longer going to the bedroom, or I'm going to take it back to the bedroom and get a bigger one because it's white but it's not that big. Let me show you, but it's big. I think I'm tall. I love my my living room. I've shifted the Christmas tree on that side, but I'm taking it down, though I feel like I have not had enough of it. So I think I'll take it down in a couple of 2 weeks. I don't know, but in a couple of 2 weeks I might take it down, but I'm not promising. I want it to stay. I think this is the following day and I'm headed to Smart Lady Home. And yeah, so I'm at HH Towers and then I can get it. I'm walking. I'm using stairs because the lift is taking too long, and we are also trying to exercise because I haven't been walking for quite a while, so I needed this. It smells so good. Selling perfume unanukia vizuri at Chacha. Nifupi aje? Oh, ni mrefu. Hii ndio beige. Hii ndio height yake. Ni height. Hi guys, I think I left you in town. I was at HH Towers and it's the same day actually. So I left you guys. So I went to town. I was at HH Towers, Smart Lady Home. I picked a few things that I needed. I needed a table runner and some table mats. I also did my nails. That's how I did my nails. And I can't wait my nails to grow. Like, I changed this shape. These are my real nails. Focus. Oh no, it's not focusing. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this shape, but now since I use this shape design ingine because they're still not long enough. I prefer almond ama stilettos. That's my style. That's the shape I prefer. But yes, so I got back home. I didn't even figure around. I got back home at around 6:30. At 6:30. So I came home, I changed because we needed to go. My husband's friend lost his dad and we were going for matanga today. So so I came home, I showered, we changed. I didn't shower. I changed the matanga. So I changed to kaenda matanga, ndio tumetoka. And now I want to show you guys what I got from Smart Lady Home. I don't know if I should show you right now or later. Yes, let me show you right now. And then I'll show you after nimezeka kwa meza. But I think I'll wait for the kids to sleep because wanasumbua. So, let me show you what I got from Smart Lady Home. Just a second. So, I got these place mats. Let me turn the camera. Got these mats. They are woven. This one I got them from Great, Great Cooks or something. I have another mats, but they're not okay. Ziko tu zimeishi, zingine zinatokana, but even this one they're not that bad. So I got this. There are 6 of them. Oh my gosh! And also this table runner. This table runner is so cute. I'm coming, Xander. Yes, that's the table runner. It's so cute. I got it from Smart Lady Home. I'll put their number there. Oh my god, I don't know if I can do this with these boys. So we'll put them later after the kids wamelala. So guys, I'm back and I want to show you. You see how my current table runner is? You see, that's how it looks. It's not going all the way. It's not covering all the way. So we need to change these to the new one. Let's do it. So let's do it. Also, I said I need to get rid of this carpet because it's Mizilla carpet. It keeps on running. I don't know if you get it, but like yeah, inashinda tu ikitokana hivi. So let's do it. My flowers are still surviving, though they are almost dying. I need to change them. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Let me show you. Focus. I feel it's gonna fit so well. It's even bigger. So I think even the other one was still the same. As in ingetoshea. That's the other size. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me pull it on this side. Wow, oh my god, it looks so good. Let me push it on this side. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look at that. The quality is just the best. Like, look guys. I'm not exaggerating. Just look, have a look. Guys, it's woven like so. These are the serviettes and the placemats. Let me see. I'm still doubting these mats. I'm not feeling them. Like, I don't know. Let me put them, then we see. So let me put them. Also the quality of these mats, I don't know, I'm not feeling them. I think I need to change these mats. She told me I can exchange. I'm really not feeling them. What do you think, guys? Tell me, let me know. What do you think? I'm not feeling these mats. To be honest, I'm not feeling these mats. I think I need to change them. I'm not. I don't think this is my vibe. Yes, I need to change them. Hey, what do you think? Hizi mats ziko aje? Kuna zingine niko nimepata. Actually, I think those will go well with this. My flowers are dying, guys. I need to change them. Okay, let me remove these ones. So I'm going to come. I put the one that I have already out. You see how it will look like. Let me put them here because I don't want them to get dirty. So let me show you guys. This one color it's dirty. This is the mat that I have. This is the mat that I have for now. I think it will look good actually. Sijui kwa nini kanaona kazi. Yeah. Yes. No, this is my style. Yeah. I'm feeling the round ones. Those are round. Yeah. Yes, these are mats that I need. These are. Yeah, you see guys, this is in a cup one. So I have to change the other ones. And actually walikuwa na zingine cream, it would match so well with this. So, that's what I have. Wow. Yes, see guys, it looks better. Yeah, sijui kwa nini kwa nanunua hizo maboho. This kind of mats, they look so good. So I'll have to change. I don't want those round ones. Sitaki. So I'll actually change them. Yes, I don't need those ones, Saki. I don't feel them. So tomorrow I'll exchange with the I saw like these ones. They were actually a bit cheaper than these ones, the boho ones. So and the color was going so well with this Seborana, so I don't even know why. And when I was coming, I was like, I wish I picked the other ones. So tomorrow, let me talk to that lady right now before I sleep. I know nijue kama she can exchange, but she's my friend, so I know maybe she will. Let me ask her. So that's how it looks. It turned out so well. And I haven't taken down my Christmas tree. I don't have pressure. I'm not feeling like removing that Christmas tree, even if in a cafe buyer. I love it. So that's how it looks. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And the seats from brand decor, and from this angle, yes, so that's how it looks. I have talked to her and she has agreed that I can actually exchange the carpets, the placemats. So I'm super excited. So I'll do that tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I'm not sure. So guys, I'll show you the picture of what I'll get. I'll show you a picture of what I'll get by tomorrow. Please don't leave without subscribing. Subscribe to our channel and join this family. It's actually around 9, that's why and I'm using the front camera, so the lighting is not the best. So hi guys, it's the following day. I hope you're doing well. Yes, it's the following day and I just got home. I've able to exchange the mats. I'm just from Kamukunji actually, because they're great. They're great. What? I'll pin it down below. They are located at Kamukunji Great Wall. Great Wall, is it? I think that's how they, your building. So I've been able to exchange the mats. So let's go. Let me show you the mats now. Nime exchange nazo. You tell me if you prefer these ones or the other ones. For me, I prefer these ones. I feel like they look good. They go well with this kind of nini teborana. The other one, it was boho like, and my style is classic, so I think that's why Queen Indiana mixing the classic and the boho style. I don't know, you guys tell me. But yes, nimezi badilisha, and let me show you how it looks, and then you tell me which one you prefer, right? Yes, I have changed my mats. Oh my god, look how they look. I feel like these look so good.
Close till I get up. Time is
So if you're interested in any of those items that I've showed you, maybe I'll leave every detail down below. Maybe you can call them. They also do delivery, so just hop to their page, and they have nice stuff. So I think I'm going to close this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching up to the end, and I love you so much, guys. So please don't leave without subscribing. Subscribe to our channel so that every time I drop a new video, you will be notified. So see you guys. I love you. Bye.